Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. Let's create the transitions one by one. From this slide to this slide, we have a bad transition you see here. When we are going to see from here to here, we have very bad transition. So how we can fix that? You see this picture, it's a pretty good one, or this thing. I'm going to make a little change by selecting all of these and pasting them here and bring them outer, but in this way. And I'm going to bring these two things more outer than ever. And then I'm going to select this thing, these two content, and also paste them here and just simply send them to back. Now let's set the transition to morph and see how the things happening. You see it's looking nice and good, more understandable than the previous one. And also for this slide I'm going to use some trick. I'm going to select all the things here, paste them here. No, I'm going to select just this thing here and paste them here, and I'm going to bring them forward. No, I'm going to use animation for this slide. For the animation pane, I'm going to tell you something, but for now I'm going to use fly in for this thing, and I'm going to tell you how I'm going to use it to look the best. Until the next lesson that we talk about this, don't forget to ask me if you need anything, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, bye.